But tonight's top story is a story that we believe should concern each and every one of our viewers, especially those who have children that are going to school or colleges. This is the story of our times. Remember, yesterday the Narendra Modi government rang in sweeping reforms in the education sector. Only the third time since independence that we've seen a new education policy being framed. The 10+2 schools format will give way to a new structure. There will be exit options, for example, available in undergraduate courses, and foreign universities will also be allowed to enter. Plus, the medium of instruction could well turn out to be in your mother tongue until class 5 in several parts of the country. That reforms that the government announced 24 hours later have sparked off a major nationwide debate. And we believe here on the news today that this is a debate we must take forward. We're going to bring in some of the top experts in a moment on the show, but first, take a look at just why these reforms are so potentially path-breaking. Take a look.
The Narendra Modi government is taking a leaf out of Ranchod Das's book. After 34 years, the government is proposing sweeping reforms in the education sector. The National Education Policy 2020 covers both schools and colleges. Instead of the current 10+2 system, a 5+3+3+4 structure starting from Anganwadi and ending with class 12 will be put in place. The focus is going to be on experiential learning. Students will be taught in the home language or mother tongue or local language till class 5 and preferably till class 8.
जो अपनी प्रारंभिक जो शिक्षा है उसकी मातृभाषा में होगी। जो 6वीं से जो वोकेशनल है, जो व्यावसायिक शिक्षा है, इसको हमने 6वीं से शुरू किया है और 6वीं से भी वो व्यावसायिक शिक्षा इंटर्नशिप के साथ किया है।
The college education will see many changes as well. 4-year graduation courses will be offered. Students will be free to take breaks and re-enter at any stage of the course and will get a certificate after completion of each stage. They will also get the freedom to opt for different combinations. The biggest highlight, foreign universities will be allowed to enter India. Academicians are divided over the education policy.
As Indian, each one of us, we can proudly say that this is my national education policy for the simple reason that all the stakeholders across the cross-section have been consulted, their inputs have been taken, and that feedback was considered, and then finally the national education policy has come. Therefore, it belongs to every Indian of this country.
But what is disappointing is nothing has changed from the draft. Although we have presented, though it was put up for educators to give our opinions and then view suggestions, we did share, but nothing has been included into it. It has just come back the same way how the draft was put up.
The National Education Policy proposes raising expenditure on education to 6.1% of the GDP from the current levels of just more than 1%. While the policy sets such high targets, it remains to be seen how much of it gets translated on the ground. For example, if a question paper asks for a definition of a machine, who will score more?
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.